Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by confirming the image is usable. Higher resolution and low compression improve matching. Once done, export the file as JPG or PNG and keep a copy. Now open a reverse image tool or app Google Images, TinEye, or a phone-integrated search, and upload the file or paste the image URL. Make sure to choose the upload option rather than visual browsing. That gives the engine raw pixels to analyze. This first step primes the search for reliable results. Once initial matches appear, scan them for timecodes, platform logos, or channel names that point to a video source. If results are noisy, crop the image to isolate a face, object, or readable text and rerun the search. Targeted crops often return more precise leads. Next, extract any visible keywords or numbers and try them in text search engines alongside site filters like YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure to save promising thumbnails and URLs for a focused follow-up. When you find candidate thumbnails, open each video page and compare frames, descriptions, and upload dates to confirm a match. If the video isn't obvious, play the clip and step frame by frame to match the exact moment. Many players let you advance one frame at a time. If searches fail, troubleshoot by trying different crops, alternate keywords or synonyms, and other reverse search engines. Some index different sources. Make sure to document the final URL and timestamp for reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.